Morning, everyone. And this is a Power BI demo, and today is the second demo. First 10 minutes, I'll give a recap of previous class. In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to explain Power BI components and one self-service example. Kindly stay tuned. The session will continue till 8:15 today. Kindly stay tuned. First recap. This was a drive I created. First folder. In the first folder, I mentioned the video, the PDF documents, and the checklist. And the checklist I'm going to explain for 2 months. I clearly mentioned what I'm going to cover. So this is a learning order actually. If you want to learn the subject properly, this is a learning order. And this is the area all topics mentioned. What I'm going to cover, how long I'm going to cover. Demos, important terms, desktop, downloading, data extraction part, transformation, case study 1. Immediately we're going to start case study. And project 2, project 1. And during the middle of the sessions, we are going to take case studies and projects. Not at the end. Not at the end. Resume preparation, interview guidance. And what are the case studies we are going to discuss? Cloud service. We want to bring the data. From what are the sources? We will bring the data into Power BI. Power query. Visualization topics.
Recording in progress.
Data warehouse and modeling. SQL and Power BI. Tag sessions. So this is a very detailed one. Kindly look into. And also the screenshots which I explained, we provided in your WhatsApp level as well as Drive level. You receive in WhatsApp also. Come to brief understanding from the institute. Very brief. So my name is Vinay and this is my contact number. And you can call me in these timings. I'm working as a senior lead consultant. Training type is basics to advanced. 60 hours durations of training. Daily 1 hour. My 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours practice. Monday to Friday compulsory classes. And online, offline both available. The institute provide daily live class videos for 1.5 year access. Please see this. And communication WhatsApp for quick communication. Email, you can email me also. And materials theory, materials practical provided. FAQs and mock interviews provided. And a Microsoft BA level tabular cube class 1 hour provided. SQL sessions for 4 hours. And mandatory learning is Power BI SQL Server. And 2 near real-time projects with multiple case studies. At the end, you will receive course completion certificate for those required. So a student required a proper learning required daily videos, proper material, theory practical, interview questions, resume preparations, and projects. case studies. So those we are providing successfully for every batch, not just saying. And training objective for real-time working people in case you are preparing for interview or you want to write Microsoft examination, Power BI examination, PL 300, 70 to 80% easily you can crack from this. Or general FAQs. Who is eligible to learn? Any graduate, it's a low code component. Why low code? I will tell you today. And you can use Power BI technical side, technical and functional side, both the places. So Power BI, you can use as a data analyst. Here Power BI SQL plus Excel basic knowledge or good knowledge, R and Python basic knowledge required if you want to try as a data analyst. And what are the subject we are covering? It is more than enough because you don't require complete knowledge of Power BI for this. The first 20 classes of our institute sufficient to try as a data analyst. First 20-25 classes. And even for data scientists, if you want to try, the first 20-25 classes of Power BI is sufficient for data scientists. In case you're trying as a BA developer, report developer, the detailed knowledge is required. The 2 months training. The 2 months training. Required for this. And first 30 sessions sufficient. 25 sessions. 25-30 sessions sufficient. And here also, the first 25-30 sessions sufficient. And you are a non-technical resource. And you want to generate your own reporting. Then also you can use Power BI. So these are the various opportunities. And the level of knowledge is required. No, slight different. Here, more and more you focus on BA applications development. Here, you will focus on BA and non-BA reporting. Even general transactional reporting also, you may focus. And I told you yesterday, data analyst, report developer, data scientist differences. And 2 months, I'm going to cover this content. What are the checklists I provided yesterday? This was very detailed checklist, but high level, this is the part. Project environment, components, concepts I'm going to cover for 10 hours, this part. Environment knowledge, case studies, database in SQL, tabular cubes. These are all I'm going to cover for 10 hours. And Power BI cloud subject, on-premises subject, both I'm going to cover it. And cloud level, these two components, desktop and service, on-premises level, these three components. And Power Apps, Power Automate, 2 hours, we're going to cover. This is a total subject we plan for the 2 months. So that environment you will understand and you will get some confidence to work in the real time. And Institute provide, as I told you, very detailed theory practical material, daily live class video, resume preparation, and you will be having very good interaction with me during the classes, after the classes. WhatsApp group also created, and FAQs we'll discuss. And below 5 years, in case you want to try in the technical side, because 100% subject if you learn, you can utilize for any kind of operation. As I told you, first 25 hours, 30 hours, maximum sufficient for data scientists and data analysts with respect to Power BI. But if you learn 100% Power BI and you want to try as a developer, below 5 years, this course helps you to keep up. And Power BI plus SQL, 90% opportunities are there. So this I'm going to cover And SQL also 4 hours I'm covering, but that is not sufficient. Learn in our institute or outside, wherever you feel comfortable, but full course. And then prioritize 9 topics. The 9 topics very important, prioritize it. And there are support resource opportunities because support is very important in the companies. Support resource opportunities, admin resource opportunities available in the organization. Some people trying with combinations, MSBA, Tableau, ADF, Synapse Databricks, this kind of combinations also. Some people. And I told you it is good to go with Power BI, ADF, or Power BI Synapse, so that you will be in the Fabric operations, Microsoft Fabric operations. The next market is cloud data integration, cloud reporting, cloud warehouse analytics. Even Synapse support data science operations. Data science.
Progress.
And more experience you want to try, these are the opportunities available, but at least 1 or 2 projects, end-to-end practice is mandatory. Otherwise, you cannot try.
So how many how many months you'll provide the tool access?
Drive access for 1.5 years.
Tool access, like in the Power BI tool access, 1.5 year.
No, tool access. The tool does not require any access for you. You can download and install it. But cloud access I will give you for 2 years.
So this is this one is a cloud based, right? The one which we are learning right now.
No, you will come to know today, sir. Then only you will get the clarity.
Okay.
Right. So last class I explained about this hierarchy. Data to IT application to BA application to Power BI, Power BI to Power Platform and Fabric. So kindly refer to yesterday's video for this detailed hierarchical explanation. It's very important. I covered BA process. And what is BA? BA history. And we are learning modern BA component. You're not learning middle age or legacy. So you should feel confident. The modern BA component is Power BI, and you're learning with advanced features. Then, of course, it is part of Fabric. A Fabric is an artificial intelligence solution. So I'm starting with this today. And what is Power BI? Adding more power to the existing BI. A second one is a low-code application with cloud and on-premises support. Mobile and tab-friendly suitable. Report and dashboard generation component. Shall we? Okay. These are all screenshots I explained and I shared with you in the last class. Now we will go for the fresh part today. So in which year Power BI released? Once again, these 3 brief points you need to know. Power BI release year 2013 July. Input, dashboard. Output, so not input report or dashboard. Any type of data, any format data, any storage data. Output is so you're going to create reports and dashboards in the company. And what are the differences between reports and dashboards? I explained very clearly. Please refer to yesterday's video. But for high level, I'm telling you, a report for detailed data presentation, dashboard for high level data presentation. Year 2013 July. And it comes under modern BA. When you talk about BA history, it comes under modern BA. And what is modern BA? Where mobile operations available, tab operations available, cloud support available, embedding possible. In other applications, you can place it easily. And low code, self-service, end-to-end we can do. These are all come under modern BA features. And this reporting, I mean, general reporting, I'm telling you, reporting two types in the IT industry. IT industry reporting two types. One is paginated. Second one, non-paginated. And this is available since 70. And this is modern, recent available after 2010. Now, in this area, the data are divided into multiple pages. And non-paginated, no division, no data division. Let me show you with screenshots so that you will get complete clarity. And guys, who all just joined, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number. In case you want to talk to me, I already provided my contact number. Call me in the given timings for guidance, suggestions, questions, concerns, clarity, or anything. So coming to general reporting types in IT, page-rated report, legacy or traditional reporting, data is divided into multiple pages and each page is printable. Please remember. Example, you have 200 records and every page requires 20 records and you require 10 pages. Then it comes under paginated reporting. Yes, report builder of Power BI or SSRS. SQL Server data tools, Cognos, BO, MicroStrategy, Crystal reports. These all come under paginated reporting. Non-paginated reporting. So let me show you an example. See this. 10 records available in one page. Next page, 10 records. Next page, 10 records. Next page, 10 records. 10 records available in every page. So this is called page-centered reporting. Report builder, SQL Server data tools, Cognos, BO, Micros. These are all reporting tools suitable for this. Non-page-related, it is a modern or advanced reporting. Data not divided into pages. It looks like this, multiple visuals. If you select 17 data, 18 data, 19 data like this, it will show. And for modern reporting, Power BI, Tableau, these kind of applications are used. And Power BI level, Power BI desktop is required. And Tableau level, Tableau desktop is suitable. Questions, please. Madam?
Yeah, one question, sir. So when you say Power BI desktop, this is not a cloud-based application or like it's just a desktop?
Sir, I'll give you the clarity. You don't worry, sir. Surinder. We wait till the practice completed, then you will get the clarity. I won't explain the same. ఇదేనండి నాన్ పేజినెట్. పేజినెట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇది నాన్ పేజినెటెడ్. And today we are going to create a report which is non paginated. You will see in practice. So for the time being, you keep in mind, old reporting, standard reporting is paginated. This is advanced reporting. It took years for companies to create advanced reporting like this. It's not that much simple. And Power BI level, Power BI desktop, Tableau level, Tableau desktop is available. Now, if you open any opportunity in the market, especially Power BI, both you find paginated reporting, non-paginated reporting, both you find. But without knowing paginated report, if you join in a company, you cannot join in a company nowadays. Compulsory. All the opportunities having paginated and non-paginated. Take any opportunity. Power BI developer. Some opportunity you take. See DAX, data modeling, Power BI, ETL, Power BI desktop, data warehouse, and Power BI reports. The key skills. Infosys your stake. Maybe they remove the opportunities. Power BI developer. See, I use the word business objects. It is showing me. Dashboard. Semantic model. Yesterday I use the word Power Query, SQL. So Power BI and SQL opportunity this is. For read more is there. See the word semantic model. Today I'll explain you once again. So develop and format page-rated reports, visual reports, multi-tab reports in Power BI. Is it clear? They clearly asking. If you follow YouTube videos or many other non-established organization videos, there are many online organizations available without properly training established due to their business strength, their publishing, and we people purchasing, but they will not tell you all this stuff. But it is compulsory, sir. See, semantic layer development migration and report development level. They ask page-rated reporting only first. There's a need of it. You open any opportunity. There is one more opportunity I open. So this one. MNC is better actually. BA architect. BA architect 6 to 8 years. See. I used the word Synapse, analysis services, Azure analysis services, Snowflake, Power Automate, Power BI embedding. These are technologies since yesterday I'm using it. Am I right? Even today I use the word embed. This comes under versioning, CI/CD pipelines. I'm going to explain. Very DAX calculations, DAX language, RLS, and I use the word self-service. And many times I use the word Power BI, Tableau, ClickView, BA tools, because it's an architect position, multiple tools they're expecting. varies.
And we are going to discuss about the optimization as well, right? Like we see that.
SQL analysis services, the word which I used. Power query, SQL proficiency. Okay, no problem. But somewhere the page laid word is there. So both page related, non-page related report is mandatory for everyone. Let me go with the next part. Power BI components and concepts. So we're entering the actual part. There are 8 components with respect to Microsoft and 4 concepts available. Keep in mind. 8 components. First one, Power BI desktop. Non-page reporting. And this is for report development. Power query, Power pivot, Power view, Power map. These concepts we use in this desktop. After finishing the class, just open the material, then you will get the clarity. And non-IT people don't feel panic. You're learning IT component, IT technology, I have to use it. First 2-3 days, you feel little difficulty in understanding the new technology, but later you feel very bored. Because same technology, same tool, same concepts. So Power BI desktop is used for the report development, which is for the advanced reporting, non-page reporting, and these concepts. People interested for cloud nowadays, they don't want to maintain any servers, they don't want to maintain any storages. So those people go for Power BI service. It is a cloud service. In this area, the report storing, managing, everything takes place. Even report sharing with the management team, like vice president, subject matter expert from here only. So report development in this area, report store and manage in this area. This flow I will show you today. Don't worry. So both I will give you. How do we connect? How do we operate? And 95% people using this approach only. Desktop and cloud. I'm going to spend 10 hours on this, and we're going to see 30 hours on this. 30 to 40 hours. Next, on-premises components. Some companies, no, we don't want cloud. We want to install in a server level. We want to place the reports and manage. So customer should access from our local server. That is on-premises. So 2 to 3% people using it. Max 5% people. And we have a component called report server desktop. The technology is slightly different. This is normal desktop and reports are desktop. It's a cloud service. It's a report server. Server is installable and service is usable. If somebody's storage you want to connect, somebody's server you want to connect, that operation comes under service. A server, this we will physically install it and operate it. 5% companies using it. But still companies require nowadays page-related reporting through report builder component. Next, Power BI developer. There is one more component. It is not a role. It is a component to create your own visual. Microsoft provided visuals. You're not feeling comfortable and you want to generate your own visuals. Then go to Power BI developer. And Power BI embedding is another concept where you place your reports in the social media, web level, blog level, etc. areas. Next, gateway is a component which will provide communication between on-premises and cloud. Between on-premises and cloud, it will establish the communication. For example, Hyderabad data, I want to move to US cloud. How is it possible? Intermediary we require called gateway. These are the 8 components typically available in Microsoft Power BI level and with 4 concepts. 95% people using this, and I will cover all this along with page-related reporting and this part. Okay. So any question from anyone in this screen before I go to next part? Thank you. Try to understand the beauty of Power BI with its components and operations. Do not feel panic by seeing this. Feel comfortable, interest by seeing the strength of these components and support from the Microsoft. It's not a normal report solution provider. Multiple services it is providing. That's the reason people love to use Power BI. And I'm going to explain this example today. You will be having your data, personal data, we call it as transactional data. During lockdown, I typed some records, 20, the records, transactional records, books, travel, different amounts I spent. I kept all in an Excel sheet, and this is the data. From this, I want to generate intelligent data like this, analytical data like this. So this is called overlap data or BA data, and this is transactional data. And to convert this data into this, we require one intermediate application, Power BI desktop, in Power BI level. And this desktop will perform this end-to-end process. This data it will get, this data it will transform, modeling applied, security implemented, finally visualization takes place. And this process is called self-service BA process. What do we call it? Self-service BA. And Power BI, only one application can bring the data, transform the data, model the data, secure the data, finally visuals generated. So this is called as a self-service BA process. Everything we are able to do in a single application. Then how do we install, sir? How do we install this? So even cloud movement also will explain today. Power BI desktop, report generation to cloud, cloud to customers. This complete one I will explain you. Stay tuned till 8:15. In case you want today's video, today's document, and this practical step-by-step document, kindly provide your email ID and mobile number. Practical document also you receive so that you can practice today. So this is a very detailed process with respect to Power BI. Power BI support any type of data, file data, database data, warehouse data, cube data, cloud data, any type of data. Power BI desktop level, we use Power Query, the concept for bringing the data and transforming the data. And Power Pivot and Model, in this area, we will store and establish relationships. And Power View and Map, we will visualize it. This information will move to service or server. And from here, customers will connect and operate. This is desktop level operation, service or server level operation. So if you don't learn this, your learning is poor or no use of real time. You're not suitable for the opportunities. If you don't know cloud or server, don't try for opportunities. No use of it. Because desktop report, we never share with the customers. We never manage with the customers. Now then, what is desktop? How do we download it? Regular word, desktop, the place where we perform operations graphically. Windows desktop, Power BI desktop, Tableau desktop, multiple desktops available in the market. Graphical operations area. Coming to Power BI desktop, Power BI operations graphical area. So Power, adding additional features, the word BA, which will take data, generate reports and dashboards. Desktop, multiple operations area. So the word Power BI desktop having 3-part meanings. First part, adding additional features. Second part, for reports and dashboard generation. Third part, graphical operations area. Now, input to desktop. I told you data. Any data, anywhere, any format. I explained very clearly about this yesterday. Output, desktop document, which will contain report data, which will contain data. So the desktop will hold report information, the desktop will hold data information. Then how do we download? I'll explain in 2 minutes. Now requirements. OS, Windows 10 or above recommended now. 88.1 no support. I need to modify this. 88.1 no support from the last month. RAM minimum 2 GB required, but ensure 4 GB RAM for your operations, quick operations. Process speed minimum 1.5 gigahertz. This is a minimal requirement for Power BI and very normal requirement. Nowadays, almost all laptops, desktops having this configuration. So all are suitable. If you discuss more, you really want to enjoy with Power BI. Visuals, better resolution machines are good. Minimum 2K resolution machines are good if you want to enjoy with the visuals. The grandeur you will see in the visuals level with the minimum 2K resolution machines. Landscape, while developing the report, you take a decision. You want to show in the mobile level, or tab level, or desktop level, or web level. So desktop or web. This view is called landscape view. In our mobile tab, this view is called portrait view. Which view? Portrait. You take a decision. If you're generating a report for the mobile and tab users, don't take landscape. If you're generating a report for web or desktop people, take landscape. Compulsory. You want to watch a video in the mobile, you will not watch in the portrait view. You will flip and watch it. You will rotate and watch it. So the appearance will change. The item size will change. The element size will change. Now font size. Power BI by default, you will get with less font size, all the icons, and you want to increase it, increase it. Before downloading, the most important one you need to focus after this part. These three, plus the most important one, type of system. What type of system you are having, 32-bit machine or 64-bit machine. Accordingly, we need to download. Sir, where do I see all this configuration? You know very well this PC computer. Right click, properties, or else search sysinfo, system information. My machine is Windows 11. Classical process. And what is system type? '64 based PC. (16 GB RAM). Fine. Now, what is a machine system type? 64. Okay. Then I want to download. So simple. Don't ask anyone for downloading the software. Just Google it and download. Or else go to Power BI Cloud and download. This is Power BI Cloud. I'll give you the accounts and all later. So you can download it. But this is recommended in the real time. Because once the report is developed, anyway, it will come to Power BI service. If you download from Power BI service, compatible version, you will find it. Always report goes to cloud, from there, customer sharing. So if you download the software from the cloud, it is always advisable. That you will see from tomorrow. And this is just normal Google and download it. So go here. So how to download the software? Just type Power BI desktop download. Very normal way. Download Power BI desktop. I'll take this link. I'm able to see new navigations than last week.
Is this a free tool, sir? Like to download?
Download Power BI desktop. So now they made it mandatory, maybe. It's going to Microsoft Store. Till last week, it was free, and with easy links, you can download. Yes, see, 11th April, they changed the download software process. 13 years, simple Google it and download. From 11th April, the process slightly changed. We need to download from the Microsoft. Directly download. Download center page. Yeah, no problem. Still, this link is available, but they hide it. There's a link. I'll place in your chat room. If anyone wants to download, use this link. So Microsoft Power BI Desktop. Here, details available. What is the software you're downloading? Version and desktop, what type of operations it perform? System requirements. These are all standalone, and these are server requirements. And this is installation instructions. Okay. Now click download. It will show you 32-bit machine. This is for 32-bit and this is for 64-bit. Size also drastically increased. Before 11th April, it was 580 MB, now 778 MB. Just click on it, download it. No need of any account, directly you can download. Once it is downloaded, you will be able to see like this software. Like this, you will see. Just go there, next, finish. During installation, it will ask you two things. One is, I accept license terms and conditions. Second one, C drive or D drive, where do you want to install? First one, second one. No other challenges while installation. At 2 to 3 minutes time it will take, and software will be installed. Once the software installed, it will take an icon on the desktop. This icon. And you can click on it. So this is the first page it will open, and we also call it as quick startup page. Quick links. So home, blank report. Anything you want to create from scratch. This is from one lake you want to develop a report. From Excel you want to develop a report. From SQL Server you want to develop a report. Now open. Existing report if you want to open. A quick reference area. And you want to sign out. Already I signed in. If you want to sign out, you can sign out. The options and settings. Here is a place, the language of this application you can change. I don't want English language. I need Hindi language. I want to work on R scripting, Python scripting in Power BI. Or some visuals are hidden and you want to take. Some options, advanced options are hidden, you want to take. And simply you want to know about desktop, version, install, user connected, etc. information, then go to about. This is the information available here. Let me click options. And here, regional settings available. Application language. Take Hindi language. There's Hindi. Indian Hindi I'm taking. Click OK. Okay. Just close it. Open the application again. Is it fine? Is it in Hindi? Yeah, I want to go back. I want to revoke the change. So
Sir,
I'm
Telugu will be there, sir.
Telugu not available, sir. But you can take Telugu also. How to take, I will tell you the process. Kshetriya setting, I'm revert back. You can install Telugu software and you can embed here so the Telugu font it will show you. I'm closing it, the same place. Language change. Now powerbi desktop. Okay. And home, I want to develop a report from scratch. So blank report. It's a very basic reporting. Don't expect advanced things here. We have regular classes, we'll see very advanced level. And this is not the session, this is not the example for the people who already completed multiple YouTube videos and dashboards. And you want to learn from basics to advanced level? Yes, this training is suitable. This is the interface, it will open. Let me brief the interface, very brief. It will take at least 40 minutes to explain this complete interface, 40 minutes. But we don't have much time, so I'm briefing it. This is for quick saving. Redo. This is called title. And you want to search the content in the desktop. This is account. And you know very well, minimize, maximize, closing. First bar. These options are clear. Now second. These are called menu tabs. When you refer manuals, materials, when you are preparing a technical documentation, the same terminology you need to use. So you must remember moving forward. Immediately not required, but later you must remember. Home menu tab, insert menu tab, modeling menu tab. If you refer the documentation or anything, you will find it. Even when you prepare a technical documentation, technical design, you must use the same technology. That's why 40 minutes time is required to explain everything. Home is underlined. Home options are available. This is called home ribbon area. If someone says go to home ribbon, yeah, go to home menu tab so that you will find the ribbon. Next. And these are the views. This is a report view. Visuals available, data available, and report concepts also available. And this is table view. Some people say grid view. Here only data displayed. Data displayed in case of import mode. There is a mode called import mode. Only import mode data you can see. And this is a relationship view. Relationships established. And recently given here 2024, recently given DAX query view. Even Copilot, this was also given 2024. AI feature. Wonderful feature. This is called report canvas. This is called width of the canvas. We call this as height. These are called as, or this is called as pane manager. And what is pane? A rectangle box with set of options. Here, data settings available, data. We call it as a data set pane. Name. These are viewing areas. If you want to view report, view table data, view relationship, view DAX query result. These are options area, data options, build options. This is build pane. And this is filter pane. Filter pane. There are multiple panes. So if you want to take visuals, build a pane. If you want to take data, data pane. If you want to take filter, filter pane. Some only you feel confused. What are these many options? But one, two reports if you create, you feel bored. Routine only. And here you will see one important information called mode, storage mode, import mode, direct query mode, or mixed mode, etc. And here is a place you see pages. Page 1, click plus. Page 2, again plus. Page 3. This is called multi-tabbed pages. What do we call it? Multi-tabbed pages. Here only we have to decide the earlier one. Landscape or web view or desktop view of the report. And this is a place, mobile, a tab of the report. Beautiful, right? Many options. And take a decision what type of reporting you want accordingly. Next, Power BI, this application having light colors. The reason, colorblind friendly. And colorblind people can use it. And this application will do end-to-end BA process. As I told you, extract the data, transform the data, model the data, secure the data, visualize the data. This is BA end-to-end process. That's why this application is called as self-service BA application. Very powerful than many BA tools in the market. Very, very powerful. Multiple navigations, multiple options, multiple process, single area. Okay. Right. Shall we start now? So this is compulsory. Get data compulsory for report generation. No report will be generated without data. And visualization compulsory because you want to show it. These two. But transformation optional. In case data not in proper shape, data shaping required, then we go for it. Optional. Relationship optional. If you want to establish relationships, we will go. Security optional. If you want to secure. Let us see how many steps are compulsory in our current report level. 1, 5 anyway compulsory. 2, 3, 4 compulsory or not, we'll discuss. So where is the source? Guys, this is a source. I will give you the practice document also. With that, you practice it. The family expenses data. Online people who just joined, kindly provide your email ID, mobile number, demo videos, demo documents, drive and access provided for you. And also note down my contact number in case you want to talk to me and you want to ask questions. So many people reaching out for queries, concerns, suggestions, career guidance. Even they are giving to other students, their friends for career guidance and all. I really love to help you. So please call me on the contact number. So this is the input data. This data I want to use in Power BI for report generation, a decision-making report generation. So this is a powerbi desktop. What to do first? Get data. Excel workbook. Multi-tenant or demo screenshots. Family expenses. Click open. This is sheet data. Just click on it, browse it. It will open. This is a preview. If you feel okay, then click load. Don't go to transform. Click load. So I'm not using my mouse or keyboard. What is happening? Notice. First, it is loading the data, and the right-hand side, data pane is automatically open. Build pane automatically open, and it's showing something. Two panes automatically open. Build and data. So this is the data. We call it as a structure. Column 2, column 3, description. And where is the data? Go to left-hand side table view. Anything you want to view, you need to go to view options. Go to that, and you can see that. Are you able to see? So this data, I'm able to see. But something is not correct. Not in proper shape. What do you mean by that? Column by column not available. Actually, date, amount, reason, and all top supposed to be available. Not available. So what to do? Guys, remove this first one. Because just normal description. Take this as a heading, second step. These two compulsory. Remove and make it as a column heading. Third, if you want area analysis separate, location analysis separate, split the data based on 2 hyphens. This splitting, 3. So to make this data in a proper shape, 3 operations required. 1, 2, 3. Clear? Great. Now where we need to go? Go to home, so report view, transform data, transform. So very simple, right? And when you go to transform data, it will open a window. There are no other windows in Power BI. Only one extra window it will open while transformation, because we have wonderful transformation area, strong transformation area in Power BI. The extraction part, transformation part, we can do it here. And no need of a separate tool. Usually for transformations, we use Informatica, data sets, definition, these kind of tools. The tool functionality given in a separate window. Thousands of transformation options available. If you click on it, options, click on it, options, click on it, options, even right click a column, options. Whatever ETL tool does, the same operations you can perform here, except loading. Thousands of transformations. Now, in this tool level, Power Query, some people say Power Query tool level, go to this corner. I want to remove this. So click on this, remove top row. No coding, just click on this. Mention 1. Number of rows to remove 1. Click OK. See, the step is added in the right-hand side. This was the step implemented. You can cancel it to revert. Steps added, you can cancel. Once again, click on this corner, remove top row. 1. Okay. What next? I want to make this as column heading. Click on this. Use first row as header. Successful. So second step added here. In case you want to cancel, you can cancel. Good. What is the third step required for us? Split it into 2 parts. So right click here, split by delimiter. Delimiter means separator. Click on this. Mention 2 hyphens. Click OK. 2 hyphens. Separated. Now double click on this column heading. This is simple. Excel level, however, we do the same way. Area, double click, location. Perfect. So I decided to perform three operations successfully completed. Now no need of this window again. So go to home, go here. Close means simply it will close without saving the changes. Apply means it will save the changes. Close and apply means save the changes and close. I click close and apply. No data ready. See proper structure available. This is called structure. This indicate numeric column or number column support aggregate analytical operations. This indicate text column because nothing is there. This indicate date column, date operations. These two indicate textual columns. Wherever you find like this, that indicate numeric. Wherever you find like this, text, and this indicate date. Fine, sir. What is next? Go to modeling, but only one table, no modeling. At least two tables required for joining. We join with one more table or multiple other tables, but only one table we cannot join itself. Security, fourth one, not part of our subject now, so I'm not explaining. So I directly go to visualization. Which visualization is required? This is what I want to develop. Please see. Sum of sales amount, I want. Average of sales amount, maximum amount, minimum amount. These are single values. If you want to show, we go for card visual. Which visual? Card. So 4 card visuals you take, 4 types of information. And you want to filter. If I select 19 information required. And month information required. So slicer and slicer. Next, we have a bar chart where we compare it. Food and I will expand it better. Bar chart. This is required for comparisons. Food, maximum money spent. Books, lowest money spent. And we have a pie chart for composition. So every location, how much money and percentage of money I spent. And we need a map visual where locations are displayed. What are displayed? Our traveled locations. We select 19 travel locations, 19 location and percentage spending, 19 amounts and 19 values. Shall we do it? Very high levels, guys, not low level. Low level we see slowly, don't worry. In the regular class, each and every visual I'm going to explain half an hour to 1 hour. The demo class only. Now I will take a card visual first. Add data. So every visual 3-step process, remember. Any visual, if you want to operate, first take a card visual. Card visual. And the field. Take the data, amount. Some of them. Next, formation, color, font, and all. Go to formation. So first step, second step, third step, common to all visuals. Formation. Let me go, guys. First step, second step, third step, formation. This is called call out value. This is called category label. You can go to call out value, this value. I want 30 size. Color, I will take blue color. Units. How do you want to show? It is showing 1000. If you want million, million. If you want billion, billion. I just take none. None means normal value. Normal value. Next. This is category label. Already on. Bold. I'll take this color. 15 I'm taking. 2 sections successfully completed. I will take border for this. And later also you can take. So first I will take this. The same format required for one more card. First sum of format, okay. Click card visual. Average required. First card. Amount. But sum is coming. Average required. So click on it. In place of sum, take average. Format is required. You can go and do it. Or else same format required. Then go here. Home menu. Format painter. Click on it. Now, maximum amount required. Click on card visual, fill, amount, sum is coming. Go here in place of sum, maximum. This format only I want to copy. Go here, format, copy. Next, card visual, fill, amount, minimum amount required. Go here, format painter, and I want to place here. I want to place here. Sir, can I take border for this or background for this visuals? Possible, guys. Better take for all visuals at a time. Go to view menu, themes, view menu themes. Here, customize current theme is there. I'll go to visuals, border on, visual border mention, black border, apply. Automatically got all visual border. And you can make a group, all the visuals. In case you want to make a group, all the visuals you can make a group for easy navigation and all. 1, 2, 3, 4, format, group. Sir, how do we remember? If you practice 2 reports, you'll remember. No coding, right? Just formation. Navigations only. With practice, you will get. Now, if you click on it, it will be highlighted. You can move it. Nice. Now, I want to have a filter. This is a total value, guys. Total amount, total average. So maximum amount, minimum amount, and the total values. But I want filtering. Take a slicer. Take a slicer visual. Slicer. Field. Date. Year value. But it's coming like this. Between operation. Always go to formation. First one, second one, formation. Slicer setting, this setting. Go here, between available. You want a button, tile. Tiles are buttons. You want a vertical list, because user selection. How user required, accordingly you take. Range required, button required, list required, drop down required. Which mode he is comfortable, accordingly we have to take. Vertical list format. Fine. Slicer header. This is header. These are values. Bold. I'll take here 20 heading style and font color, and values. These are values. Header and values. Values level 15 size, sorry 18 size. Blue color and blue. Bold. So you can place here. You can see. Is it okay? If you select 19, these are all 19 values. 20 values. You want to clear off? Clear off. So simple, right? I did not write any logic. Simply it is giving. This is the beauty of Power BI. And month required. Just copy paste. You can copy paste also. Control C, Control V. But month required. So go to field area. Visual is ready. Month required. Remove it. Add data, date, month, take it. But it is showing all the months. I want only 2 months. Then filter level, visual, expand it. This is filter on the visual, only on this visual. July and August. July, August on this visual. Now only 2. Simple, right? How to use filters also explain.
Dependence also dependence.
Create. We can create. Now the next one. I want a comparison. Which product more spending, which product less spending, I want to compare them. Take a bar chart. Stack the bar chart. Y-axis. This is Y-axis. What do you want to take? Click on this. Reason. X-axis. What do you want to take? value amount, reason amount. So if you go to focus view, you can see food, travel, internet, entertainment, books, petrol, and food. If you click on it, tooltip will tell you food value, travel value. These two top spending, these are bottom spendings. Top spending and bottom spendings. Similarly, go to pie chart. Lesson, location, value, amount. So location wise amount, but pie chart will show you. I will go to focus view. Value and percentage also. That's the beauty. Bar chart will not show you. Bar chart only value. We can see 40% Hyderabad location and Siddipet only 1% or 2%. Vishakhapatnam 40%. Money and value. Now, what are the locations I traveled? Map visual. Location level, location you mentioned. Click on it, location. So map visual, location. Expand bigger. It is simply showing what are the locations I traveled. The bubbles indicate travel locations. I took location here, so it is showing. What about business? Go down, bubble size available. If you click on it, amount, wherever more spending, bigger bubble. I spent, so I mentioned bubble size. Wherever more, bigger bubble. Wherever less, small bubble. This is how we will take visuals. If we select 20 spendings, 20 locations, 20 location percentages, 20 products comparison. August, see 20 August. Is it changed? Yeah, Hyderabad, Vishakhapatnam 55%. 20 August, Vishakhapatnam I spent more money. 19 August, Hyderabad I spent more money. Everything. So this is called slicing. And we also explain filtering. And not only this, if you want to filter the data, even you can click on this. Accordingly, it will show the data. Visual I click, visual data. This is called cross filtering, cross highlighting. What do you call it? Like this, 6 ways of data filtering available in Power BI. To lack of knowledge, people will answer always this and this in interview, 1 and 2. But total 6 ways available. How many ways? I explained 3 ways. Slicing, filtering, cross filtering, and highlighting. But 3 more ways also available. Okay? Right. So whatever the report I expected successfully completed, hardly 3 minutes, guys, I will close it. The report successfully completed. Now we need to save it. File menu, save or save as, browse this device, batches. Under batches, I will create a folder. $7 a.m. April 25. Demo report. What is the extension? PBAX. Word documents with .docx, Excel document with XLSX, Power BI with PBAX. Click save. But in this document, this area only customer require. They don't require extraction part, transformation part, modeling, security, these pens and all. They need only this area for quick insights. How is it possible? And if you look at this, something interesting, guys. This is batches, 7 a.m. April, and it's a document. This is a document. We need to move to cloud so that you can share the report. Shall I? Right. Please look into this. I'm connecting to cloud, app.powerbi.com. So desktop report is ready. Now I decided to share with the customers. So I'm moving to cloud. No. Cloud is not free. but I will give you for 2 years trial accounts. So I connect to cloud with an account. Workspaces. Workspaces, I will go to a project workspace. For 6 o'clock batch people I conducted. I'll create a folder. 7 a.m. demo. Here I will upload, import, page related report from this computer. Where is it? Batches, 7 a.m. April, the report. But it will divide into 3 parts. One file, but cloud level divided into 3 parts. See guys, this is a report area, data area, dashboard area. So if you want to deal with the data, go to this. If you want to deal with the report, go to this. So I want reporting. This I will go to this. Same state it is open. Now customers can browse like this. Even they can click on it.
So how they are getting the data set, because data is already loaded here?
Yeah, because data also assigned, right? Your Power BI report having data also, right? That's why data loaded. This is called in-memory model. In-memory model. Right now we discussed about in-memory model where this application having data itself. Whatever the data we brought it now, this is available in this application only. That's why cloud level it is showing the data from that application.
So how much amount of data it can load is say?
No. There's a limitation less than 10 GB. So
Okay.
this application can store less than 10 GB. Beyond 10 GB available, then storage mode, direct query we need to use. That you will come to know in the regular class. Don't worry. So based on the storage mode, so storage size, we take the mode and operate. Small volume with better operations, more volume with better operations, different storage modes available in Power BI. Right, this is okay. And then how do we share? Immediately customer want. Razu need the report deadly now. Now share, mention who you want to share, mention, send. Ready? He will get a link. Razu need in a specific time. Every day in a specific time. Subscription. Subscribe. Create a subscription. And Razu is a non-technical guy. He don't want link. He just need a PDF report. Export PDF. He requires a PPT report. This report in PPT format. Razu requires simply the data of this to generate his own Excel report. He does not require Power BI report. Analyze in Excel. Razu having mobile app. He want to download it. Sorry, he want to scan and see. Generate a QR code. So you generate a QR code and share with him so that he can scan and see. Our company wants the report to be visible for everyone. Embed report. If they want to show in the website level, the website links available. Just forward this link to those people. They can show in the website. Like this, 8 ways available. You can share a report, present a report to the customers and public. That is possible from the cloud or server only, not from the desktop. This report we never share with the customers. Understood? So Power BI operation is desktop and cloud operation combination. These two. This is for the report development, storing and managing from here. Customers will contact this and bring it. Got clarity? Right, sir.
So yeah. So the one.
Give me a minute, sir. I will conclude, and so the remaining people can drop off. And there are 2 demo classes. First demo, I cover introduction part and data understanding, business intelligence understanding, business intelligence hierarchy, and Microsoft Power BI hierarchy explained till Fabric. Second demo, recap of the first demo and Power BI components given by the Microsoft and a self-service practice. And as I told you, this is a 2 months duration course. In case you want to complete in 1 month, call me on my contact number. I will help you. Based on your requirement, I will suggest you what is the best way to complete in 1 month. My 1 hour equal to for you 2 to 3 hours minimum time for practice. Demo classes, so average content I maintain, but in regular class, detailed content you will find it, but easy, understandable way. Daily you will receive the video. You can walk through it in case you don't understand. Even you can call me, take my help. 2 near real-time projects with multiple case studies. Training is suitable for the real-time working people, interview preparation people, and certification people. In what situation you can generate your own reports. First 30 hours sufficient in case you want to generate your own reports or you want to try as a data analyst or data scientist. First 30 hours. It's a low code component. No need to write any code. As long as you're developing this kind of some average, no need to write any code. But last year some I require. Last quarter some I require. Then we need to write formula. So in the modeling level, we write formulas. This DAX formula. I 2 years past data minus 2 quarters past data I want to subtract. Then we must write the formula. Microsoft cannot give you a transformation. That's why we call it as a low code application. Understood? Right, sir. So this is what I plan for 2 demo classes, the proper content. And from tomorrow, regular class at morning 7 o'clock. I have multiple batches, but this batch is morning 7 o'clock and starting from tomorrow starting from tomorrow. Kindly practice the demo exercise. I'll give the screenshots and practice PDF also. Practice file also. This is a file required for you. Practice file. And this is a PDF required for you. Practice PDF. Very clearly step by step available. Practice it. If you stuck somewhere, call me on my contact number or message me on my contact number. I'll help you on that.
Sir, SQL is included now.
Please do some exercise on this today and join from tomorrow. SQL 4 hours only included, but we recommend it to learn whole course in our institute or outside. Because within 4 hours, I cannot cover in detail SQL. So I recommend you to learn SQL in detail.
Sir, you are the proprietor of this institution, sir.
No. I'm not the proprietor.
Hello, sir. What is the fees for this, sir?